today's training, and today we're going to speak something very crucial in this Basics of Learning Dzwa Tiv with Yosev Green. So today we have to pick something very similar to the first one, that Baby Bubu. I know some have watched the video, but some have not watched that particular video. But if you have not watched, then I think you should go back and watch that video because it's very important. So today's is just an advanced part of it, because that day we had a single consonant sound followed by a vowel sound, but today we're going to be having two consonant sounds followed by a vowel sound. So it's not all of it. We're not going to take it like that day, because it's not all this thing that we have the combination. We just have some alphabets that are combined in that way. So I think when we get started, what with the basic of this, the main benefit of learning this is to aid you in pronunciation. So when you know how to pronounce this, if you see a word that has this in it, you're not gonna find it difficult to pronounce, so it's gonna be easier for you. So let's get started, and then when we get the revision, because we have some here that have a kind of, like, let me say, some kind of, can I say, give birth to something, or just like vowel sounds, when you have O and then it's pronounced like this, then when you have O with colon, then it's pronounced another way. So we have something like that. So let's get started. All right, we have ba, that is GB, ba, b, b, bo, bo. All right, second one we have ba, b, b, bo, bo. And then we have another one, nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Another one, nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu. Another one is tsa, tse, tsi, tso, tsu. All right, let's take this one again, because I know a lot of people will have issues with it. So let's take it again. Tsa, tse, tsi, tso, tsu. Okay. Mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu. And then let's get back to the ones that have kind of something different. That is, we have this that's naga o, this naga o, naga o, naga. Okay, this of naga a, naga e, naga e, naga o, naga o. All right, this one have something. It has this NGO. It's not non-governmental organizations. This NGO, which is pronounced as ngo, have something that when you have a little cap at the top of this letter O, it's no more ngo again. It's pronounced as ngo. Okay, so when you see any word that has this particular little cap on top of the O, it's no more ngo, it's ngo. All right, guys, so take note of these things, and that comes to the conclusion of this lesson. Still, I remain your host, Yosev Green, and thank you for watching this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget, you can always reach me on WhatsApp on the number displayed on the screen, and then you can always chat with me on the email displayed on the screen as well. So thank you, guys. Follow me on Instagram as well, because these lessons are going to be uploaded, and then you have benefits when you're following me on Instagram, because a lot of times I post some pictures, some kind of practical things, and then some things that will make you challenge you to learning this language efficiently. So thank you, guys. Bye bye.